हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी ने हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 1 सेट के 50 MCQs किए हैं। आज हम करेंगे आगे के हमारे MCQs। तो आइए चलिए करते हैं स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट नंबर पे आपको यहाँ पे सवाल दिया हुआ है, इफ़ A and B आर टू सेट then A minus B यूनियन B minus A यूनियन A इंटरसेक्शन B किसके इक्वल होगा। तो आपको यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन में क्या करना है, आपको पता है कि A minus B मीन्स ओनली A यूनियन है, B minus A मीन्स ओनली B एंड यूनियन A इंटरसेक्शन B मीन्स बोथ A and B. So you can see here that only we have to find their union. So answer will be A union B. So answer is B. Next question is 52. U be the universal set, AB are the subset of U such that NU is given 25, NA is given 15, and A union B complement is 8, A intersection B is 6, NB and NB minus V, what will be the NB and NB minus A? So let's start. Solution: NU is 25, NA is 15, and A union B complement is 8 and A intersection B is 6। आप वेन डायग्राम के थ्रू भी इसको कर सकते हैं। ये आपने वेन डायग्राम बनाया यहाँ पर, सॉरी इसको इरेज कर देते हैं, हम छोटा ले लेते हैं इसमें। हम इसमें ले लेते हैं अब हमारा वेन डायग्राम। वेन डायग्राम जो है आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, ये आपका A है, ये B है और ये आपका यूनिवर्सल सेट है। यहाँ पर ये U हो गया आपका, ये A है, ये B है आपका, ये A इंटरसेक्शन B वाला पोर्शन है आपका, और आपको क्या दिया हुआ है A यूनियन B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट। तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट में जाएगा आपका ये वाला पोर्शन जो A यूनियन B में नहीं होगा, ये बाहर वाला पोर्शन ध्यान रखेंगे। तो ये हमारा होगा A यूनियन B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट। हमें यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कॉम्प्लीमेंट के अंदर 8, इंटरसेक्शन में दिया हुआ है हमारा 6, यूनियन में आपको दिया हुआ है 25। तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर निकाल लेते हैं हमारा, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर N ओनली A, तो ओनली A में आपको पता है यहाँ हमें दिख रहा है, अगर हम A के अंदर से इंटरसेक्शन वाला पार्ट माइनस कर दें तो हमें A माइनस B मिल जाता है। तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर आपके पास आता है 15 माइनस में 6 दैट इज़ 9। तो ये हमारा पार्ट कौन सा होगा, A माइनस B। यहाँ से हमें मिल गया ये वाले पार्ट में हमारा 9, ये आपका आ रहा है 6। अब हम कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर ओनली B। ओनली B करते हैं तो हमें मिलेगा N, हम लिख सकते हैं B माइनस A प्लस में N A इंटरसेक्शन B। अब हमारे पास B माइनस A हमें चाहिएगा, तो B माइनस A अगर हमें निकालना है, सॉरी यहाँ पे ओनली B नहीं पूछा हुआ है आपसे, यहाँ आपको पूछा गया है B, ये आपको B पूछा गया। तो इसके लिए हम B माइनस A और A इंटरसेक्शन B को क्या करेंगे, जोड़ देंगे। तो B माइनस ए हमारे पास है नहीं, तो सबसे पहले हम निकाल लेते हैं B माइनस ए। B माइनस ए निकालने के लिए आप लिखेंगे यूनियन में से आपने N A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट प्लस में N A आपने यहाँ पर किया तो आपको मिलता है 25 माइनस में 8 प्लस में 15। तो यहाँ आपको मिल जाता है 25 माइनस में 23 दैट इज़ 2। अब हमें ये मिल गया तो हम यहाँ रख सकते हैं। ये आया आपका 2 और इंटरसेक्शन आपको दिया हुआ था 6, तो यानी कि ये वैल्यू आ गई आपके पास 8। तो आपको क्या क्या निकालना था, पहले एन बी रखना है, तो एन बी आ रहा है 8 हमारा और b माइनस ए आ रहा है हमारा 2। तो आप देख लीजिए 8 और 2 का पेयर हमारा बन रहा है b के अंदर। नेक्स्ट आपके पास है यहाँ पर 53 में आपको दिया हुआ x जो है आपके पास x है, x बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर, x आपका सेट दिया हुआ है x का। यहाँ पर आपको y जो दिया हुआ है इसके अंदर आपके पास, यानी कि ये आप लिख सकते हैं 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन। यहाँ आपके पास y जो सेट दिया वो दिया हुआ है 2 4 2 के मल्टीपल्स आपको दिए हैं, नेचुरल नंबर से लिया जा रहा है। और z जो है वो 5 के मल्टीपल्स हैं आपके, 5 10 15, ये भी नेचुरल नंबर से बिलोंग करता है आपका। अब हमें इंटरसेक्शन बताना है, इसमें किस टाइप के आपके नंबर्स आएंगे जो 2 से भी डिवाइड हो, 5 से भी हो और आपके पास नेचुरल नंबर भी हो। तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ जो नंबर आएंगे वो आएंगे 10 20 एंड सो ऑन। तो ये आपको मिलेगा 10x। तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं ये आपका ऑप्शन है सी। नेक्स्ट आपके पास आता है 54 जिसके अंदर आपको पूछा गया है नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट। नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट निकालने हो तो आपको इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं देखना है, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट नहीं निकालना। आप क्या करेंगे, सीधा इनके नंबर्स देखेंगे, ए में है 3 और बी में है आपके 5। तो आपके पास ए क्रॉस बी है, तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट हमें चाहिए, तो ये हमारे पास हो जाएगा एन ए क्रॉस में एन ए क्रॉस में एन बी। तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ए में आ रहे हैं आपके 3 क्रॉस 5। आप देख सकते हैं क्या आता है 9 क्रॉस 5 यानी कि 45। आपका आंसर यहाँ पे होगा सी। नेक्स्ट आपके पास आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 55। यहाँ आपको दिया हुआ है एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 16, तो ये आपके पास बन जाता है x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 4 और आपके पास x की 4 इक्वल टू 256 गिवन है, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस में 16 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस में 16। ये आपके पास वैल्यू बनती है और यहाँ से आपके पास आ जाता है प्लस माइनस 4 और प्लस माइनस 4 आयोटा। तो आपको पूछा गया ए सिमेट्रिक बी, जिसका फॉर्मूला आपके पास होता है a माइनस बी यूनियन b माइनस ए। तो जब आप a माइनस बी करते हैं तो आपको मिलता है 5 और b माइनस ए करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पर 4 आयोटा माइनस 4 आयोटा। यूनियन करने पर हमारे पास 4 आयोटा और माइनस 4 आयोटा यहाँ पे आता है। तो आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं हमारा जो ऑप्शन होगा वो कौन सा होगा, ए। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आता है इसमें 56। एन ने आपको दिया हुआ है ए के प्लेस पे आपको 3 रखा हुआ है एक बार और एक बार 5, तो हम रख के देख लेते हैं। एन 3 जो हमारा बन रहा है वो बन रहा है हमारा 3n, यानी कि 3 के मल्टीपल्स यहाँ आने वाले हैं 3 6 9 दिस वन, और दूसरा n के प्लेस पे आपको दिया हुआ है 5, तो यहाँ आएंगे 5 के मल्टीपल्स 5 10 15 एंड सो ऑन। नाउ we have to take their intersection. Its intersection becomes the multiple of 3 and 5, यानी कि it means we have 15 30 45 and so on. So answer is N 15, means option D. Next is 57. If two sets A and B have 16 elements in common between them, then number of element common to each of the set A cross B and B cross A. So here we have given number of element common means intersection is given 16 and and B intersection A is also 16. Now A cross B intersection B cross A, we have to find this one. So we can write here n A intersection B cross में n B intersection A. It becomes 16 into 16, that is 256, or you can write 2 power 4, 2 power base is equal, so power will be add 2 power 8. So our answer is 57 ka, that is B. Next is 58. We have given the equation of circle. So here is x square plus y square equal to 25. R is 5 and center is 0, 0. So our diagram will be like that. This is our circle, and second equation is x square plus 16 y square equal to 144. We can write it as 12 square plus y square upon 12 by 4 square equal to 1, or you can say x square by 12 square plus y square by 3 square. Now A is 12 and B is 3. So we can write here B is 3. So we can see this is our x axis and this is our y axis. This is our 0.5, minus 5, 5 and minus 5. This is given, B is given 3. So and x is given 12. So it becomes an ellipse. You can draw an ellipse like that. So here you can see that ellipse and circle are cut at 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So their common points are 4. Option number D. Next is, in a survey of 100 students, the number of students studying the various languages were found to be English only 18, English but not Hindi 23, English and Sanskrit 8, English 26, Sanskrit 48, Sanskrit and Hindi 8, no language is 24. So let us make its diagram. We make it Venn diagram. This is our English, this is Hindi and this is for Sanskrit. We give them name B, A, B, E, D, F, G and C. Here we have given that English only is 18. So A is 18. Now A plus D, in which E and English and Sanskrit not Hindi, that is English but not Hindi, English but not Hindi. So A plus D equal to 23. Next is D plus E. This is our English and Sanskrit. So D प्लस ई हमारा इंग्लिश प्लस में आपके पास आता है, यहाँ पर इंग्लिश प्लस में डी प्लस ई हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. डी प्लस ई इज संस्कृत एंड हिंदी. नाउ A, B, D, E. That is our English. Now D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. That is Sanskrit. 48. E plus F. E plus F is given. E plus F is given 8. Sanskrit and Hindi. Now all are given. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G equal to 100 minus में 24, that is 76. Now how many students were studying Hindi? हमें बताना है कि कितने स्टूडेंट आपके हिंदी पढ़ते हैं. मीन्स आपके पास B प्लस E प्लस F प्लस C, हमें ये फाइंड करना है. तो हम निकाल लेते हैं यहाँ से. हमारे पास A दिया हुआ है 18. A जब हम पुट करते हैं यहाँ पर तो आपके पास D मिल जाता है. A को पुट करने पर आपको D मिल गया. 23 माइनस 18 दैट इज़ 5. इसी तरह आप अपना D को यहाँ पुट करेंगे 5 को, तो आपके पास E मिल गया 3. F आपके पास यहाँ आ जाता है. आप वैल्यूज़ को पुट करेंगे तो E आपको पास पुट करने पे आप देखेंगे यहाँ अगर आपने पुट किया E को 3 तो F मिला हमें 5 एंड G इक्वल टू 35. So we have to find the student of Hindi, that is B plus E plus C plus F. So this is 18. Or option number A. B is 0. So 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus we have to find our C, that is 10. 0 plus 3 plus 10, 13 plus 5, 18. So our option is A. Next is how many students were studying English and Hindi? English and Hindi means H intersection E, that is B plus E. So B plus B is 0 and E is 3. So 3 is the answer. Next is if A and B any two set, then A intersection A union B complement किसकी इक्वल होगा? आपका A intersection A union B complement. So we can write it as A intersection A complement intersection B complement. By associative law you can write it as A intersection A complement intersection B complement. This is our phi and this is our B complement. When intersection of phi and any other set is become phi. So our answer is C. Next is we have to write the formula of A union B, number of A union B, that is n A plus n B minus में n A intersection B. So here is 12 plus 8 minus 4. 20 minus 4, that is 16. So our answer is C. Next is same question 63. Here we have to find n A union B. Firstly n A is n A minus B plus में n A intersection B. Here n A is 115 and A minus B is 47. This is A intersection B. So we can write 115 minus 47 and A intersection B. This is 68 and this is our A intersection B. So now we applying our formula as we write in the previous slide. 115 plus 326 minus 68. After solving this we get 373. Answer is A. You can see in Venn diagram also, this is our A and B. This is our A minus B and this is our A intersection B. After adding both, we get our A. Now next, if A is subset of B, then B complement minus A complement. Here we know that if X belongs to B complement, then it implies X not belongs to B. It implies if X not belongs to B, then X not belongs to A. And this implies X belongs to A complement, because what is given? A subset of B. So here we can see B complement contained in A complement, or we can say B complement minus A complement is equal to 5, because B complement is our subset of A complement and their difference will be 5. So our answer is 5. Next is, if U is real number, A is between 0 to 2 and B is 1 to 3, then which of the following are incorrect? We have given U is R, A is between 0 to 2, this is our 0 and this point will be 2. This is open set, so we write here this one, and B is, let us consider 1, this is our 1 and this is our 3. Now B complement is R minus B, so we get here belongs to R, X is less than equal to 1 or X is greater than 3. So A union B is X belongs to R 0 to 0, X is between 0 to less than equal to 3. Or if we take their intersection, then we get X belongs to R, X lies between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So we can see our intersection is 1 and 2. So D option is correct. Our option C is incorrect. We have to find incorrect option. So here is given that equal sign, but we know that A union B is 0 is open, so we can't take as close. Next is 66. We have to find A union B. A union B is 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 5, 12. And intersection is 4, 5, 12. A intersection, sorry, what we have given? A, we cancel it. A union C, that is A union C is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now we have to take their intersection. So in their intersection 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, 10, 8, 10 and 12. So our intersection is 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 12. Now our answer is B. Next is Which one of the following is A minus B union B minus A? We know that this is the formula of symmetric difference, and symmetric difference can be written by two ways. One way is this union B minus A, and other way is A union B minus A intersection B. So our answer is C. Next is A union B union C intersection A intersection B complement intersection C complement its complement intersection C complement. We can write it complement as A complement union B union C. Here is intersection C complement. We use here associative A intersection A complement union B union C intersection C complement, or we can write here it becomes phi union B union C and intersection C complement. Here you can write B union C intersection C complement. This is B intersection C complement union C intersection C complement. Here we can write B intersection C complement and union of phi. So we get here B intersection C complement. Our answer is A. Next is 69. NA and A intersection B is given. We have to find the number of element in N. A intersection B complement intersection A. So here is N A complement union B complement intersection A, or we can write it as N A complement intersection A union B complement intersection A. You can write N phi union A intersection B complement. We write it as N A intersection B complement, and this is our N A minus में B, and A minus B can be find as NA minus में N A intersection B, and these are given 8 and 2. So our answer is 6. That is option is C. Next is we have to find N A complement union B complement. We can write it as A intersection B complement, or this is can be written as N union minus में N A intersection B. Here union is 700 and intersection is 100. So our answer is 600. That is option D. Next is B2 set, then A union B complement and its complement intersection A complement union B complement. We can write it as A complement intersection B intersection A complement union B complement. Here we can write, we know that this is B minus A and this is A minus B, and we know that this is only B and this is only A. So no element will be common, so our answer will be phi, and phi is a null set. Now next, if A and B are two subset of universal set and U आपको given है, A given है, B A intersection B, we have to find the number of element A complement intersection B complement. We have to find this. So we can write it as N A union B complement. and this is n union minus में n a union b. So firstly we find our a union b. We write our formula here, na plus nb plus minus में n a intersection b. So our answer will be 300 plus में 400, 700 minus में 100, that is 600. So after putting in this term we get n union is 800 minus में 600, that is 200. So our option is B. Next is AB is given. We have to find A union B complement. You can see in A union B complement is 19 in all the options. So we will not find this. This is A complement intersection B complement. So firstly we write A intersection A complement intersection B complement, that is A union B its complement. Now we can write as A union B. Number of A union B is A union B is NA. Here NA is we have given, or we can write it as directly. What we can write? A union B complement is A union B. We have A union B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and their intersection is N U minus में N A union B. Their complement, we have to find their complement. So union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our term will be 1 and 9. So our two option will be wrong. This one. Now we have to find our symmetric difference. This is our A minus B union B minus A. We know that how to find our A minus B. If you have any doubt, then please see my videos on this chapter set. Then it will be clear to you that how we can find our difference of sets. So A minus B is, we can write here A minus B, that is 4, 6, 8, and union B minus A is 3, 5, 7. So our union is become 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this is in our option B. So our answer is B. Next is here we have to solve these equations. After then we will find our A intersection B complement. So we know that how to find our equation. We have given here 5 equation of 5 order. So we will get our 5 roots. It may be our repeated roots. So we get here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one root is repeated. A is satisfy the equation on 2 roots, that is 2 and 3. And after solving B, we get our 2 roots, that is 1 and 2. Now we can easily find A intersection B complement. How can we find our B complement? A intersection B is 2. And their complement is union minus में A intersection B. Union is 0, 1, 2, 3 and intersection is 2. So we can see here 0, 1 and 3. Our answer is C. Next is If A and B are two set, then A intersection A union A intersection A union B complement, or we can write it as A intersection A complement intersection B complement. You can write here A intersection A complement intersection B complement. This is our phi intersection B complement, and this becomes phi. So our answer is C. Next is A and B are two set, then A intersection B and union A minus B. We can write it as A intersection B union A intersection B complement. We know that this can be written by distributive law, that is A intersection B union B complement. It becomes universal, so A intersection universal is become A. Small set will be written in our intersection. A and B are two non-empty subset. A and B are two non-empty subset of set X such that A is not subset of B. We have given that A is not a subset of B. So then what can we say? A is always a subset of complement of B, need not be necessary. Subset of complement of B not necessary. B is always a subset of A. A and B are always disjoint, may not be disjoint, or A and the complement of B are always non disjoint. ए और बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमेशा आपका नॉन डिजॉइंट यानी कोई ना कोई एलिमेंट आपको उसमें मिलेगा। तो आपके पास आप क्या इन सभी के आप एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू आप कोई भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं और इन सभी को आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। आपका ऑप्शन होगा यहाँ पे डी। नेक्स्ट आपके पास आपको डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है। आपको 3 सेट अगर दिए हुए हैं तो आपके पास फॉर्मूला होता है। आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले सिंगल एलिमेंट्स के नंबर लिखेंगे प्लस करके। After then you will write double x intersection y minus y intersection z minus n x intersection z। फिर हम ट्रिपल करके प्लस करके लिखेंगे x intersection y intersection z। All the values are given. After putting these values we can find here 15 plus 22 plus 14 minus 18 minus 8 minus 5 plus 3. This is our values. After solving we get 30 and we have to find its complement. We know that complement is n union minus n x union y union z. Here nu is 35 and this is our 30, so our answer is 5. Next is n is between 2 to 12. A is even prime number, so we know that even prime is only 2, and B is factor of 24, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Now then which of them is not true? आपको ये सभी चीज़ें फाइंड करनी आती है, a minus b, this one, this and this one. So here you can see this is, if we will not solve these terms a, b, you can see that a intersection b complement is always a complement union b complement. So we can write here by De Morgan's law, which of the following is not true? This is our true. After solving you will find that A and C is also true. A minus B, we will get A minus B, that is 5, and this is our empty set and this is empty, and if we find A complement minus B complement, then it will become B minus A. So our option B is incorrect. After solving, we get 38, 17 plus 23 minus n x intersection y. You know the formula of n A union B का formula आपको बताया गया था, n x plus n y minus में n x intersection y. After solving, we get 38 minus 17 minus 23 equal to minus n x intersection y. That is, we get our answer, that is 40 minus 38 n x intersection y 2. So our answer is A. Next is, in a group of 800 people 550 can speak हिंदी. एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है आपके पास जिसमें आपको बोला गया है आपको यहाँ पर दिया गया है हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. हिंदी में आपको बोला गया है 550 एंड इंग्लिश में आपको बोला गया है 450 कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. Now how many can speak both Hindi and English? We have to find this part, and we have given N H union E, that is 800. So our formula is N H union E equal to N H plus N E minus N H intersection E. 550 minus plus 450 minus में n h intersection e. Here you can write 800 minus 1000 minus n h intersection e. Here is 200 equal to n h intersection e. We cancel negative sign both side. So our answer is B. Next is, in a market research group conducted a survey of 2000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers like product P1. So NP1 is 1720 and 1450 consumer like P2, and P2 number of P2 is 1450. What is the list number that must have liked both the product? We will find it by, we have given and U, that is 2000. Now we can write N P1 union P2, that is N P1 plus में N P2 N P1 intersection P2. Here is, you can write, after putting the value of this one, we get 3170 minus n A intersection B. We know that A union B always contained in U. So n A union B is also contained, numbers is also contained. Now we know that this is 3170 minus n A intersection B less than equal to 2000, or we can write here 3170 minus 2000 less than equal to n A intersection B. Here we can write n A intersection B is greater than equal to 1170. So our answer will be 1170. Next is, in a group of 1000 people ग्रुप गिवन है आपको, आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर N A union B is 1000. There are 750 who can speak Hindi. So N A is 750 and 400 can speak Bengali. How many can speak Hindi only? We know the formula that How many speak Hindi only? Means N A minus B, that is N A minus N A intersection B. You know that in Venn diagram we can see A minus B. Here this is A minus B. So what we will do, in A set we minus the intersection portion, then we get our A minus B. Here for this we know the formula A union B. 1000 equal to 750 plus 400 minus में N A intersection B. After solving this we get our value 150. Now putting in this 750 minus में 150, that is 600. So our C option is wrong. Now next is we have to find how many can speak Bengali only. B minus A. B minus A. So for B minus A we know that NB minus में N A intersection B. NB is 400 minus में intersection is 150, that is 250. So our two option cancel, 200 and 150 is already cancelled. Now 300 and 150 both Hindi and English. A intersection B, that is 150. So our option will be D for 83 question number. Now next is 84. A town has total population 25,000. We can write here NX is 25,000, out of which 13,000 read Hindustan Times. So NA is 13,000 who read Hindustan Time, and Indian Express we read by how much people? 10,500. Now 2,500 read both paper, means A intersection B is 2,500. The percentage of population who read neither of these two newspaper. Firstly we find our A union B. We know the formula of A union B, so I am writing directly that NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. After solving we get 21,000. So here if people read neither of these two papers, so we get A union B, it becomes 4,000. We know the number A union B and NX is 25, so we get 4,000. So required percentage जो आपकी आती है यहाँ पर वो आ जाती है हमारी 4,000 अपॉन 25,000 इंटू में 100. So here we get 16%. So our answer is B. Now next is, of the number of 3 athletic team in a school, 21 are in basketball team, 21 we can write here 21 is in basketball team, 26 in hockey team and 29 in football team. 14 play hockey and football, hockey and basketball. 14. 15 play hockey and football. 12 play football and basketball. And 8 play all the games, means hockey intersection basketball intersection football, that is 8. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स हमें बताने हैं, आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है एन बी यूनियन एच यूनियन एफ. So you know the formula, NB NB is 21 plus NH plus NF minus H intersection B minus H intersection F minus F intersection B plus में H intersection B intersection F. So our answer will be 43. So our option is B is correct. Next is, in a certain town, families 25% families own a phone. So we write here N, and we can write here NP is 25%. We don't know which value, so we take as K. So we get K by 4. And 15 own car, so NC is 3K by 20. And 65 families own neither a phone nor a car. So we can write neither a phone nor a car, 65% families. So it becomes 13K. So it becomes 13K by 20. Now 2000 family own both a car and phone. So this is 2000. Consider the following statement: 10% families both a car and a phone, 35% families either a car or a phone, or 40,000 families live in the town. Which one of them are true? So you can see here we will find our, you can write here N P in complement intersection C complement, that is NX minus में N P union C. Here is NX is K and this is 13K by 20, K minus N P union C. After solving we get N P union C is 7K by 20. Now by formula P union C we can find NP. NP is given K by 4 plus NC is given 3K by 20, and we don't have P intersection C in percentage, so we write it here. This is our 7K by 20. So after solving this we get K by 20, that equal to P intersection C, that is 2000. So K is 40,000. So option third is correct. So A is cancelled. Now we have to check our first and second also. So we write here N. Firstly we clear it. Now N C intersection P, that is 2000. This is 2000, K is 40,000, and this is percentage our, so we get our 5%. Now so 1 is incorrect because third is right, and here is also 1 and this is also 1. So we know that 1 is not correct because we have given 10% for both, and this is our 5%. So our option is only C, that is correct. You can find it also N P union C, that is 7K by 20, 7 into 40,000 by 20, here is 14,000, and 14,000 upon 40,000 into 100%. So you can see this is cancelled and this is cancelled to this one, and we get 5, here is 2, and 2 to 7, so 35%. So our second and third is correct. This is our option number C. Next is, from 50 students taking examination, we have given that physics, chemistry and math. So number of here we write number of M union P union C, that is 50, and number of student in math, that is 37. Number of student in math who are passed. Now next is number of student in physics who pass, 24. Number of student who pass in chemistry, that is 43. Now we can write here we have to find that at most 19 pass mathematics. At most बोला आपको, it means आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पर M intersection mathematics and physics, so less than equal to 19, and at most 29 pass in math and chemistry, so this is less than 29, and physics and chemistry at most 20 students. This information is given. So here we can write our formula of n union of 3 set. We put here 37 plus 24 plus 43 minus n M intersection P minus n M intersection C minus n P intersection C plus n M intersection P intersection C. So after solving we get n M intersection P intersection C is less than equal to 19 plus 29 plus 20 minus 54. So we get here 14. This is our 50. So our answer is less than equal to 14. So answer is D. Largest possible number हमें बताना था who could pass all 3 exams. Largest number is 14. Now next is A and B are not disjoint set, then number of A union B. So this is the direct formula, because we know that we have given A intersection B is not disjoint, means not equal to 5. They have some element in common. 20% of population travel by car and 50% travel by bus and 10% travel by both, then person traveling by car or bus. We can write here directly NA is 20, because all are given in percentage, so we write directly here 50 and A intersection B is 10. So after applying our formula A union B, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So we get here 20 plus 50, 70 minus 10, 60%. So our answer is C. Now next is, a class has 175 students. The following data shows the number of students opting one or more subject: maths 100, physics 70 and chemistry 40, math and physics 30, math and chemistry 28, physics and chemistry 23, and both are 18, physics, math and chemistry. How many have offered math alone? Math alone means we have to find M intersection P complement intersection C complement. Here formula is Nm minus N M intersection P plus N M intersection C minus N M intersection C intersection P, and this is given 100 minus 30 plus 28 minus 18. After solving we get 118 minus में 58, so we get here 60. Answer is C. You can write here, you can see by Venn diagram, it will become more easy. This is our math, this is our physics, and this is for chemistry. So if we have to find our this portion, then what we have to minus in Nm, we have to minus M intersection P, M intersection P, this portion, and M intersection C, this portion, M intersection C, and this portion is counted 2 times in this one and this one, so we subtract 1 time this one, so here we get our answer. Next is 91. Here is directly our formula. You can write A union B complement as N union minus N A union B, and we can find N A union B by our formula, that is NA is 12, NB is 9, and NA intersection B is 4. So this is 21 minus 4, that is 21 minus 4, 17. Now after putting in this, N union is 20 minus 17, you get here 3. Our option D is correct. Next is 25% families own a cell phone, 15% scooter, 65% neither a cell phone nor a scooter, 1500 families own both a cell and scooter, then the total number of families in the town. You can solve this question by, let NA for cell phone is 25% and B for scooter 15%, and neither a scooter nor a cell phone 65%, and A intersection B both 1500. So here we write N A complement intersection B complement is N A union B complement, and it becomes N U minus में N A intersection A union B. Now we can find here 65x upon 100 equal to x minus N A union B. So A union B is, we can find A union B here. A union B formula is NA plus NB minus में N A intersection B. After putting these values and comparing these two equations, this one and this one, you will get your answer. Then you will get the equation like this, and you get x is 30,000. So our option is C. Next is NA NB intersection and union is given, then we have to find the range of P. So let's see. we know the formula of A union B. We can write here P equal to NA plus NB minus में NA intersection B. So we write here this one, we get N A intersection B is A intersection B is given and A intersection B is given greater than equal to 1. So 1 and A intersection B is between 1 to 500 because A has 1000 and B has 500. So minimum is 500 because we are taking its intersection, and here is it is greater than 1. So range is 1 to 500. So we put here P 1000 plus 500 minus 1, that is 1499, and if we put 500 upper range, then you get 500 minus 500, then it becomes 1000. So you can say it becomes our upper edge and this is our lower limit. So P will be lie between 1000 and 1499. Our option is D. Next is, in a survey it is found that 70% of employees like banana and 64 like apple and X% like both apple and banana. Now we have to find the X% when people like both banana and apple. So NA is 70%, survey is going on 70% employees, and B is people who like banana 64%, 70% like banana and 64% like apple. So here we can see N union, we take 100, and A intersection B we don't know, we have given X%, so this is our X who like both. Now N A union B is always less than equal to 100 because always less than NU, so we can say always less than equal to 100, and this is our formula. After putting the formula NA plus NB minus में NA intersection B, we get this one. So after solving we get X is greater than equal to 34, and now we have to solve A intersection B is less than always less than equal to B because A is 70% and B is 64%. Intersection will take only the lower number, so 64 is NB. Now we have to find NA intersection B less than NB, implies X greater than equal to X less than equal to 64. This is our limit of X. So option C is correct. Next is, in a town of 10,000 families, it was found that 40% family buy newspaper A, 20% families buy newspaper B, and 10% families buy newspaper C, 5% buy A and B, 3% B and C, and 4% A and C. If 2% family buy all the three newspaper, then which buy A only? Then number of families which buy only A. So here we can write NA is 40% of 10,000 and B is 20% of 10,000. So directly I can write here, this is our 4,000, this is our 2,000, and C is our 1,000, and A intersection B is 500 and B intersection C is 300 and A intersection C is 400 and intersection is 200. Now you put the formula here. We have to find only A intersection B complement intersection B C complement, that is an A intersection B union C complement, or we can write an A minus में an A intersection B union C. So by putting the value, we write here, or you if you want to solve them, you can write an A minus में an A intersection B union A intersection C. Here if we take this one set and this is other set A, we can write it P and Q, then N P plus N Q minus में their intersection. So we write here N A minus में N A intersection B minus में N A intersection C plus में their intersection A intersection B intersection C. So our answer is 4000 minus 500 minus 400 plus 200. Here we get 3300. So our answer is B. Next is 600 students in a school, 150 were found to be taking tea and 225 taking coffee, 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Then find the number of students who the students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Here you can write N tea 150, coffee 225 and for both 100. By applying the formula for union, we get N T plus N C minus में their intersection. So it becomes 275. So we have to find that neither one of them, this is complement. We can write union minus में N C union T. 600 minus में 275, 325 our answer. Next is, if there are 3 athletic teams in a school, 21 are in basketball, 26 in hockey, 29 in football, 15 play hockey and football, 15 play hockey and football, 12 play football and basketball, 8 play all the games, then total number of members. Here is, we are applying directly the formula N B union H union F, basketball, hockey and football. NB is given for basketball 21, hockey 26, 29 for football, for hockey and football 15, 15 for hockey and football and hockey and basketball, and 12 for basketball and football, plus for all the 3 is 18. We know the formula. After putting this value and solving these equations, we get our answer, that is 42. Next is, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these 12 teach mathematics and 4 teachers teach both mathematics and physics. Then the number of teachers teaching only physics. So here we have given that only mathematics teacher, we can write only math teacher. We know that how to find NM minus में their intersection. So it is 12 minus 4, that is 8. Now we have to find n m union p. N only math teacher plus both plus only physics teacher. We have all the three things. This is our 28 plus 4 plus only physics teacher. Here is 20 minus 12, that is 8. So our answer is only physics teacher is 8. You can easily see in our Venn diagram. If you have any problem by solving this type of question, this is easy to go through by Venn diagram. आप Venn diagram बनाइए और Venn diagram के थ्रू आपको बहुत इजी पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें अगर फॉर्मूले याद भी नहीं रहते तो आप क्या करेंगे, वेन डायग्राम में आप इजीली ये देख पाएंगे कि कहाँ पर हम किस टाइप का फॉर्मूला यहाँ यूज़ करें। जैसे कि आपको मैंने यहाँ बता दिया m और n, ये था हमारा इंटरसेक्शन, दिस पोर्शन, दिस इज आवर ओनली फॉर मैथ, वी राइट हेयर m इंटरसेक्शन n कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड दिस इज फॉर आवर फिजिक्स, p लिख देते हैं यहाँ पर फिजिक्स के लिए। तो फिजिक्स के लिए हमारे पास आएगा p इंटरसेक्शन m कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ऐसा पोर्शन जिसके अंदर मैथ नहीं है। तो यहाँ से आप इजीली अपना फॉर्मूला बना सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज सेम क्वेश्चन, वी हैव गिवन nx दैट इज 24 लाइक प्ले क्रिकेट, एंड वी टेक y 16 लाइक फुटबॉल, एंड at least also each student like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and basketball? And we have given total number of students, that is 35. After putting in the formula, you get x union y equal to nx plus में ny minus में their intersection. Here after solving you get 5. D option is correct. And our last question is, in a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 are taking, number of students are 400, number of students who take apple juice, that is 100, number of students who are taking orange juice, that is 150, who take both 75. How many students were taking neither apple and neither taking this one and this one? We have to find this one. Firstly, we have to find our A union B. NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. 250 minus 75. This is our, what we get here, 250 minus 75, you get here 5, 7, 1. 175, and for their complement we know that the complement is N A union B complement, that is NU minus N A union B. So NU is given 400 minus 175, we get here 225. This is our answer. Answer option is A, 225. This is our 100 question on chapter 1 set. I hope you will understand it clearly. We will see our chapter number 2 MCQs in our next video. Thank you.